Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we will be making pineapple Nendram Masala. Pineapple Nendram Masala is a relish and accompaniment for a South Indian style lunch served with rice. This tangy, sweet and slightly spicy relish is a favorite at home. Here is how to do it. We will be using ripe plantains, the Nendram banana variety, for this recipe. Chop the Nendram banana into small pieces. Ripe Nendram is preferred for this recipe. I have some pineapples here that I have chopped into small pieces too. Take a kadai or a pan and add in the chopped Nendram bananas. Add in the chopped pineapple pieces too. Add some little turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder for color, little salt and some sugar. If the pineapple is not very sweet, you might need to add a little bit more sugar. Add in the water and mix well to combine. We will be cooking this mixture on a low flame for about 15 minutes. It's important to cook on a low flame so the pineapple and banana cook soft and turns flavorful. Mix once in a while so the mixture does not scorch at the bottom. Add little water if the mixture looks little dry. After 15 minutes, the pineapple and banana should be cooked to a soft texture. Mash the mixture using a potato masher. Make sure there are small bits left behind for the texture. The pineapple Nendram masala is now cooked and ready. Taste the masala at this stage and adjust for salt or sugar if necessary. Now let's make a tempering for the pineapple Nendram masala. Heat coconut oil to a small tempering pan. Coconut oil is preferred for tempering this dish. Add in a few broken cashews to the oil. Roast on a low flame for a few seconds. Add in the mustard seeds, some fresh curry leaves and some dried red chillies. Let the mustard seeds crackle and the curry leaves become crisp. Add this tempering to the pineapple Nendram masala. Mix well to combine. Our pineapple Nendram masala is now ready. This relish can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Serve as an accompaniment for a traditional South Indian style lunch along with rice. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please do leave a comment below. Show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.